Good morning. Derrick Sanderson here, Keller Williams Realty in Chico, California, coming at you for this week's Monday morning market update. So every Monday, I take a few minutes and take a look at what's going on in single-family residential homes here in Chico. As always, if you have any questions about any other segment of the housing or real estate market, definitely feel reach out to me. My cell phone is at the bottom of the screen. Also, you can reach out to me at whatever platform you are watching this on. So without further ado, let's jump in and take a look at what's gone on this last week and last month. So currently, this morning, as of about 10:30, this is what we got going on. We've got 84 active listings on the market. That did drop by just a couple. 140 are under contract. That also dropped by a few from last week, and the median list price climbed to $549. So for those 84 homes that are currently on the market, we're sitting at about 42 days average on market. Let's jump ahead and take a look at the last 7 days. So in the last 7 days, we've had 22 new listings. 37 have gone pending and 37 have closed. So you can see that pending number is still way higher than that new listing number, which will obviously keep those number of active listings way down. What we need to see is those numbers begin to reverse. Lastly, that 37 days or that 37 homes that closed in the last week, that gives us a good look at about what was going on roughly a month ago here in the Chico area. The typical escrow is 30 to 45 days. So those 37 homes went under contract about a month ago. So towards the end of June. Now, let's zoom out just a little bit more and let's take a look at the last 30 days. We've had 126 homes close with an average of only 14 days on the market, so sitting at 2 weeks, and that average sales price for those 126 homes is coming at just over $526,000. Something I've been adding is the updated interest rates. Crazy low. Total disclaimer, I am not a loan officer or mortgage professional in any way. I do have a few friends in that industry though. I just like to keep this in front of people because it affects your buying power as a buyer. So still under 3%. If you've thought about buying, don't let the low inventory scare you. First step, give me a call. We'll get connected with a lender and we'll figure out what steps we can take from there. Now, every Monday I post a Monday motivational quote for the week. And this morning I posted this from Thomas Edison. If we all did the thing we are capable of doing, we would literally astound ourselves. Here's the deal. I know that fear gets in my way, that little voice in my head that says you're not good enough, you can't do it, you don't know how to do it, all of those, even you'll fail. I don't know about you, but I hear that in my head on a somewhat regular basis. Here's the reality. If we just did what we're capable of, not even going above and beyond and excelling over and above what we're capable of, but if we just did what we were capable of, it would blow our minds. So this week I want you to be thinking about what is it that you've been fearful of doing, but that you know you're capable of, and what step are you going to take to start to walk down that path? That's all I have for you for this week's Monday morning market update. I hope you have an incredible week, and I'll see you all again next Monday for Monday morning market update.